Hey everybody, this is just a quick video in case you have a Miele washing machine and you're getting an F50 error code. So what is this error code and can we get rid of it? So the F50 error code is a drive error, so the machine's ability to drive the drum, make the drum spin, it's detecting that there's something wrong there. So the thing to do is the first thing to do before you call a technician or anything like that is just to get in here and see, look under things, look behind things, and see if you can see anything that would be preventing the drum from spinning. And that could be like even a piece of clothing can kind of get lodged down, or sometimes like buttons and stuff can come off of clothing and they can jam things up and keep things from spinning. So if you're able to find something that is physically obstructing the drum from spinning, then you should be able to get rid of this error without needing a technician or anything like that and get your machine back working the way it should be. So anyways, if that doesn't work, you probably need to call a technician, but hopefully that'll clear it out. So I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.